Hello, here I am going to discuss about oxypines. Oxypine is an oxygen-containing heterocycle consisting of a 7-member ring with 3 double bonds, and here is the structure of oxypine, and the parent C6H6O exists as an equilibrium mixture with benzene oxide. This equilibrium has been supported by its NMR, C13 NMR and UV spectrum. Then coming to the synthetic method, the first one is from Dewar benzene. Dewar benzene on epoxidation followed by pyrolysis or photolysis yield oxypine. So here metachloroperbenzoic acid is used which undergo epoxidation, and then shifting of a sigma bond to pi bond occurs, and then oxypine formation occurs. Then second one is from 1,4-hexadiene. 1,4-hexadiene on treatment with peracid give monoepoxide, which on bromination gives a dibromo compound, and presence of a mild dehydrohalogenating agent it gives oxypine. Here the base sodium methoxide causes elimination of bromine, and then oxypine formation occurs. Then third one is from 1,2-divinyl ethylene carbonate. Pyrolysis of 1,2-divinyl ethylene carbonate in presence of lithium chloride, which act as a catalyst, gives a mixture of cis and trans divinylene oxides, which undergo rearrangement to give 4,5-dihydroxypine. So first, in presence of lithium chloride, a mixture is formed, which then undergo rearrangement to give the final product, which is oxypine. Then fourth method is from salicylaldehyde. Sodium salt of salicylaldehyde on reaction with the epichlorohydrin gives 1-benzoxypine. So the first step in this is sodium salt of salicylaldehyde is reacted with the epichlorohydrin, and then triphenylphosphine reacted, which form phosphonium salt, which then undergo intramolecular Wittig reaction to form the oxypine, 1-benzoxypine. Then another method is from 2,5-disubstituted furans. 2,5-disubstituted furans on Diels-Alder reaction with dimethyl acetylene dicarboxylate give the adduct, which on photolysis yield 7-oxaquadricyclanes, and then on heating converted into substituted oxypines. So first the furan is reacted with dimethyl acetylene dicarboxylate, which is a Diels-Alder reaction, forms an adduct, which then undergo photolysis, presence of iodine catalyst, forms 7-oxaquadricyclanes, and then on heating give the substituted oxypines. So these are the synthetic methods, and next we are going to discuss about the reactions of oxypine. The first one is with acids. On treatment with acids, oxypine and its derivative undergo rearrangement to form phenol. The reaction is believed to proceed via arene oxide. The reaction is accompanied by 1,2-hydrate migration. So, the oxypine is reacted with acids. The final product is phenol, and the mechanism is through arene oxide. And next reaction is Diels-Alder reaction. Oxypine on treatment with malic anhydride undergo Diels-Alder reaction to give adduct. So oxypine reacted with malic anhydride, which is a Diels-Alder reaction, diene-dienophile reaction, which then form adduct. Then the third one is photoirradiation. That is, the oxypines undergo a ring contraction to give a bicyclic product, that is 3,2,0-hepta-3,6-diene is the product. So these are about the reactions. Thank you.